Hey guys, it's Kevin, and this is a MacBook Pro that's running the developer beta of macOS Ventura. So I've been using it for over a month now and it's been great. Today I'm going to share my favorite features starting from the least to most exciting for me. I've also been using iOS 16 and iPadOS 16, and some features like editing messages, focus filters, and shared tab groups are available on macOS as well. I'll leave a link to both of those videos in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, Apple made some small improvements to Spotlight, Mail, and Handoff. In Spotlight, there's a new search design and enhanced image search. For example, if you type in the word dog, then Spotlight will show you results from different categories like websites, documents, and applications. It'll also show you images from Photos, Finder, Safari, and more. You can even use live text to search. Let's say I want to search for MacBook. Spotlight will show all the images that have the word MacBook in it. It could be on a box, carved in the bottom of the notebook, or engraved under the display. Quick actions are also in Spotlight, so creating an alarm or turning on a focus is quick and easy. In Mail, Apple added a new feature such as undo send, scheduled send, follow-up suggestions if someone hasn't responded, and remind me so you can get back to an email later. When you click on the search icon, you'll see links, documents, and more. And as soon as you start typing, you'll start seeing suggestions, whether it's the correct spelling or not. And all these features are also available on iPad and iPhone. And the last improvement is in Handoff. Imagine you're having a movie night and start a FaceTime call on your iPhone, then you want to switch to your Mac. Just move your iPhone close to your Mac and it'll automatically recognize the call and you can switch. And this works between any device, so you can enjoy being on a FaceTime call while watching a movie with subtitles on the right device. Okay, there are two new apps coming to the Mac, Weather and Clock. Now, when you click on the widget, it takes you straight to the app instead of a web browser. The sidebar shows your favorite locations, and each location shows different elements on the right, and all of these elements are expandable with a simple click. The Clock app is the same one you're already familiar with on iPhone. You can see the time in different locations, set an alarm, use a stopwatch, and create a timer. So System Preferences has a brand new look and name, System Settings. The same design you know and love on iPad and iPhone is now on Mac. I didn't like it at first because I knew the old System Preferences like the back of my hand, and when I installed macOS Ventura, I didn't know where some of the settings moved to. Now it's growing on me. The sidebar has similar categories on iPhone, like Notifications, General, and Battery, and some new ones like Screensaver, Users and Groups, and Keyboard. If you're already familiar with settings in iOS and iPadOS, this will be easy to use. Now, as a Mac user, I have a lot of apps open to be productive and creative. I do utilize existing tools like Mission Control and Spaces or shortcuts like Command W or Command H, but sometimes it's hard to find the right app, and that's where Stage Manager comes in. You can activate Stage Manager right within Control Center, and all of your recently used apps move to the left side and the app you're currently working on gets your full attention. And if you open up a different app like System Settings, then it's brought to the stage, and the other app moves to the side. Multiple windows of the same app are stacked in one pile, and you can cycle between them with a click. You can also group different apps together like Safari and Pages, and with Stage Manager, accessing a file on your desktop is easy. Just click on the desktop, select the file, and drag it to the app window. With Mission Control, Spaces, and Stage Manager, you have more flexibility to create your ideal workspace. And finally, my favorite feature, Continuity Camera. MacBooks usually came with 720p cameras, but the newer Macs are 1080p. It's not the best quality, but it gets the job done. I guess Apple finally realized this and added this feature, which allows you to use your iPhone's cameras as a webcam, and the quality is way better than the built-in camera. All of this is done wirelessly and without any setup. Belkin's MagSafe iPhone mount shown in the keynote isn't available yet, so I'm using a tripod. This supports Center Stage, Studio Light, and Portrait mode. But the coolest thing about this is Desk View. It uses the ultra-wide camera and crazy Apple magic for a top-down view of what's on your desk in front of you. You can have a drawing tutorial, or show off your Apple Watch bands, or even demonstrate a magic trick. It's really impressive. The flatter the object, the better, or else you'll end up with some weird distortion. Alright guys, that's it for my favorite features in macOS Ventura. Apple added a lot of other features like improved Safari performance, iCloud shared photo library, new gaming features, and more. Let me know what features you're excited for in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!